In this video, I am going to explain energy and power in electrical circuits. Across a conductor, a potential difference is applied. For a conductor, there will be a resistance. Then a charge of dq is moving from the point A to B. So it gains energy. Energy gained by the charge dq is given by this relation. Du is equal to V into dq, where V is the potential difference. Potential difference is the amount of work done for unit charge. Now there is a charge of dq, so V into dq is the energy gained by the charge dq when it is moving from the point A to B. The same charge dq is moving from the point C to D. Then when it is interacting with the atoms and due to collision, it will lose the energy. So energy lost or delivered is same. So V into dq is the energy delivered in the resistance. So rate of energy delivered is known as power. Power is E by T, energy by time. So for energy we can write du. So P is equal to du by dt. For du we can write V into dq. dq by dt is the rate of flow of charge. So rate of flow of charge is current. So power is V into I, where V is the potential difference and I is the current flowing through this resistance. So power is equal to V into I. Energy is measured in joule. Time is measured in seconds. So joules per second is watt. So power is measured in watt. When power is measured in watt and time is measured in second, energy will be in joule. But another practical unit is there, that is kilowatt hour. Now let us see what is 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is 1000 watt hour. Now 1000 1 watt, that is 1 joules per second. Then this hour you convert it into seconds. So 60 into 60 seconds. So you can see this seconds will get cancelled. So 6 into 6, 36. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 kilowatt hour is 3, 6, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So this is can be written like this: 3.6 into 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So into 10 raised to 6 joules. So 1 kilowatt hour is 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joules. Now for this relation we can write like this also. Using Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. For this V you can write IR. So power is equal to, for this V you write IR and this I. So it will be I square R. Now we substituted for this V, or you can substitute for this I. So I is equal to V by R. So another expression, power is equal to V into I. For I we can write V by R. So is equal to V square by R. So now power you can see the three relations. P is equal to VI, or P is equal to I square R, or P is equal to V square by R. Thank you for watching.